Most people think losing fat means suffering. Eating tiny meals, doing crazy workouts, or cutting out everything they enjoy. That's why most people quit. The truth is, fat loss is actually simple when you focus on the right things. Not easy every day, but simple enough to stick to. Let's break it down. Number 1, create a small calorie deficit. Fat loss only happens when your body uses more energy than it gets from food. But that doesn't mean starving yourself. You don't need extreme diets. You just need to eat slightly less than you burn consistently. When people go too hard, they burn out. When they go slow, they actually get results and keep them. Number 2, eat more protein. Protein keeps you full longer. It reduces cravings, and it helps your body hold on to muscle while you lose fat. This alone makes fat loss feel much easier. Every meal doesn't have to be perfect. Just make sure protein is there most of the time. Number 3, walk more. Walking is one of the most underrated fat loss tools. You don't need intense cardio. You don't need to destroy yourself in the gym. Walking burns calories, lowers stress, and doesn't spike hunger. Daily movement adds up faster than most people realize. Number 4, cut down on liquid calories. This is where many people mess up without noticing. Sugary drinks, juices, alcohol, sweet coffee drinks. They add calories, but they don't make you feel full. Switching to water, tea, or black coffee can remove hundreds of calories a day without changing your meals at all. Number 5, do some form of strength training. Fat loss isn't just about weighing less. It's about looking better. Strength training tells your body to burn fat and keep muscle. That's how you end up lean instead of skinny and tired. You don't need a gym. 2 or 3 simple sessions a week is enough. Number 6, sleep more than you think you need. Bad sleep makes fat loss harder. You get hungrier, crave junk, and make worse decisions. That's not a lack of discipline, that's biology. Better sleep improves fat loss without changing your diet or workouts. Number 7, base most meals on whole foods. Whole foods keep you full on fewer calories. Processed foods make it easy to overeat. You don't need perfection. Just aim for real food most of the time. That alone makes fat loss simpler. Now here's the important part. You don't need to do all of this perfectly. If you focus on just a few of these and stay consistent, fat loss will happen. If this helped you, subscribe to Health Compass. This channel is about keeping health simple, practical, and honest. Drop a like, share it with someone who needs it, and stick around. More clear guidance is coming, and I'll see you in the next one.